YouTube, welcome back again. 3 setups got stopped out. You know, that's the thing in trading. We lose, we win, but we win more than we lose, right? And that's how we can stay accountable. And the thing is, actually, once you learn to embrace losing in trading, that's the moment where you start making a difference in your trading. You know, the thing is, actually, it doesn't matter if we lose or win, right? If you win more in average, then you're okay, right? So as that said, guys, you know, BTC is dumping again. It's very difficult actually to say where we go. We still have this bullish divergence on the daily time frame. It's still respected because we didn't lose the 786 yet, as I showed you 2 videos before, right? So actually we're heading to some critical levels now at this moment, and we need to hold this. Simple as that. The positive thing about this moment is that we're entering the 5th week of the month, actually. You know, it's 31 of March and we can expect some volume today. You know, it's Monday. We created a fair value gap above us, so that's positive. Most likely we will retest it, fill it, and retest the 786 bearish on the daily. I will show you later in this video what I'm expecting. Actually, to be honest, now I'm not trading. I wait. You know, the trade of 2 weeks ago is already closed. We took some profits, so that's why taking profits is so crazy important. You know, we didn't hit TP3 yet, so I needed to close the position with what was it, somewhere around 1700% profit, right? So if you followed, you know, you could make some gains. But now we're just waiting with patience to see if certain levels got respected, right? Yesterday on X, I posted a setup with a nice entry. I'm expecting BTC to retest the 786 again. It was actually our entry of 2 weeks ago to create a sort of head and shoulders now, right? If you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we're creating a sort of head and shoulders, and actually it's an M pattern. It looks very bearish, right? But again, it's Monday, we can expect volume. We have to break the bearish 786 on the daily. Actually, it's the right shoulder of this inverted head and shoulders. So yeah, we have to see. So as I said, guys, let's go to the chart. As you guys can see, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and this is actually some mentor things from the group. But if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see actually that we retested this 200 moving average. But if you go to the 1 hour, then you can see that we're creating a sort of head and shoulders pattern, right? And it's actually this one. So what I'm expecting, actually, let me remove this one, is BTC to retest this 786 again on the daily time frame. It's now the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be the 6th time we're retesting it, and the more we retest a support level, the weaker it becomes. So you know, there is liquidity here of people who are still going long, so we can expect a reaction. So actually, I posted this trade to just scalp this right shoulder, right? Take 100% profit here to see what this right shoulder is doing. Actually, this right shoulder is when you go to the daily time frame, this bearish 786. So let's say that we hit our entry, so we pull a Fibonacci till here somewhere, maybe a little bit lower because there's liquidity, wick, and then go up. So there is a possibility that we retest this 786 to come down, right? But if you zoom out, you can see that we're also forming a sort of inverted head and shoulders, what I showed you 3 weeks ago already. The one we're forming now at this moment. You know, it's actually strong resistance level here, but it's nothing more than just the 786 constantly, right? So we have to break this 786 to remain bullish actually. So first we need to break this one, 85.7k. Next one should be 88.3k. Let's see, 88.4k. And then the last one, 91.2k. So we have to see what's going on, what's happening this coming week, right? We need some volume. This bullish divergence is still valid. And why is that? Because this is our last 786. If we lose this 786, we lose our bullish order flow on the higher time frame actually, because this is a market structure shift, and this market structure shift needs to stay respected in case of this 786 to eventually form this this right inverted shoulder, right? So guys, a very important week ahead, you know. A lot of things can happen. You know, we got stopped out in our previous trades, but it doesn't take away that there are a lot of opportunities ahead of us, right? For the future this week. So guys, you know, just be patient, wait for retracement, don't chase green candles, just buy, sell stops. So I'm entering this trade here. Let me check. I also posted this setup on X. So if you don't follow me on X, go follow me and check out this setup, because we can make some gains here, right? Small gains. Actually, this is a trade of 5.63%, risk reward ratio 1:4, almost 5. You know, there's 1000% on 200x, you know? So guys, be patient, wait. I'm buying the sell stops. It's up to you what you want to do. Follow me on X and stay tuned, because I will keep you guys updated on X and on YouTube. So as that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.